Hi, I'm Esther with Glad Lash. Today I'm going to apply our flare lashes. I'm going to show you how to apply these underneath your own lashes with our special Glad Lash Lash Lock glue.
Come on in.
What's really nice about this tray, they have 3 lengths. One is called under, then short, and then medium. And I do a combination of all 3 sizes to give a beautiful, natural, custom finished eyelash look. Now this is a relatively inexpensive and quick technique. Wonderful when you don't have time to go in to see your eyelash extension technician. And you can do this on yourself, or if you do have a clientele, you may want to have them try these if they're in a rush. First step, I'm going to pick up my eyelash curler. I want to give my own eyelashes a quick press on these curlers. And I want to give my own eyelashes a nice little curl. Okay, I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush them up to help separate my own eyelashes. Second step, I'm going to take my latex-free eyelash glue. Got a nice brush, wipe a little bit off the tip. Put that down, lift up my eyelid, and put a few little strokes of the glue underneath my own natural eyelash. I'm picking up one cluster at a time, attaching it to my eyelash, and pressing it in. I'm using the medium length on the outside area. I'm going to pick up one more. I'm going for the center area. Again, I'll lift up my lashes. Taking a look at my lashes, I think I want one more short one at the outer area to give it more of a cat eye look. I'm going for the inner area right now. I'm going to get a little bit more glue. You don't need very much glue at all. And this inside area is where I'm going to put the short length. I'm happy with how this eye came out. I like the way it looks. If you want a fuller look when you do this, you could just add a few more, keep going for a few more minutes. But now I feel ready to go to the left eye. And doing that eyelid lift again. Making sure I've got my glue on my lashes, starting at the outer corner. That's one. I'm going to take a little bit more glue just for the inner corner and apply one more lash to it. I'm going to pick up the short one, the short size. I really like the way these lashes look, and they feel so comfortable and they look so natural. This glue is great. I know these are going to stay on for at least 4 or 5 days, maybe even a week. And these lashes combination really works well. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more of my videos.